girl, Abigail, Fur, pretty girl, Bacon Bear, pretty girl.
It's been a while, but I'm back. But I'm back, but I'm back, but I'm back, but I'm back, but I'm back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I know it's been a while since I filmed, but I'm back, baby. So you guys will probably see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be filming a soft glam look with a nude lip, and I'm so excited because this look I've worn a couple of times, and actually for the past week I've been wearing this makeup look and I'm so in love with it. So I'm excited to film this makeup tutorial today and just share with you guys, you know, how I achieved the look. And I'm really excited because I will also be using, let me show you. So yeah, it is the Monica lip kit from the Makeup Revolution Friends collection, and I'm so in love with these colors. Very surprised, I didn't expect it to look as good as it did. Let's get into this soft glam nude lip, baby. So I'm just gonna get straight into the video. I do hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna be starting off with my eyebrows. I haven't actually moisturized or done anything to my skin yet. This is my bare skin as it is. I have been dealing with lots of acne these past couple of months. I actually filmed a video, I showed you guys and talked through my acne and how I cover it up and stuff like that. So that'll probably be up before this video. But yeah, so this is my bare skin. There's nothing on it. I haven't moisturized, I haven't done anything because I've changed the way I do my makeup now, especially when it comes to my eyebrows. When I go in with products before applying the pencil to my eye, I just feel like it doesn't last as long, and it's just very kind of, it becomes very slippy, slidey. What I've been doing for the past week now, actually, and I've been loving it, is doing my eyebrows first, so eyelining my eyebrows first, and then going in with my skincare just so I can avoid the eyebrow area. Okay, so first things first, we're going in with my eyebrow pencil. I'm going to shape up these bad boys, and I'm going in with the Rimmel eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. This hasn't changed. Okay, so my eyebrows have been filled in and they are looking nice and thick, which is what I'm here for. I'm just gonna get my spoon and I'm just gonna brush them out a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so that is literally it. So now I'm going to quickly go in with my cotton pad and my Petzke Glow, and I'm just going to tone up my face. So yeah, just gonna be careful not to take any of the product off my brows. Okay, so my skin has been cleansed, and I'm sure it's thanking me right now. Okay, so up next I'm going to go with some moisturizer, and I'm just using my Neutrogena moisturizer. I'm just going to take a bit of this and just moisturize my skin. Just being so careful around my brows because I don't want any product to lift. And there we go. I've got some moisturizer on. Last but not least, I'm going with my La Roche-Posay sunscreen. I'm just going to take like 3 pumps on each thing. 4 pumps actually. So I mean, I don't ever know how much sunscreen I'm supposed to use, but I always go in with 4 pumps, and I am heading out later today, so I'm going to be quite generous. Rub that in. Rolling through my phases, rolling through my phases. Okay, so that is that. So my skincare is done. So now I'm going to go in with some primer. I'm taking my Laura Mercier pore blurring. I'm going to squeeze some product onto the tip of my fingers, and I'm going to place it on the areas where I do feel like my pores are quite large, which is literally my T-zone, to be honest. The apples of my cheeks and just underneath my chin. And then I smile and I place it here and here, literally just on my laugh lines. So you know, I'm just going to blend that in. And there we go. You guys can see that is literally mattified out my face. It's a great product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal now. You guys know this step doesn't change. I'm going to conceal my brows with the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So right now I'm actually looking for my mascara so I can go ahead and create some, you know, hair-like strokes. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now with foundation. I'm going in the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and this is in the shade NC50. I've actually gone back to this foundation. This whole summer I've been using this foundation. I feel like when I do still want quite like a full coverage and I just want like a little bit of a glow, this product does the job. And I'm just taking my beauty blender, nice and damp, and I'm gonna pump some of the product in the back of my hand. I feel like that was way too much, but we'll see. And I'm just going to apply the product to my face. That looks so light on camera, but it is my shade. Don't worry, guys. Okay, so my foundation is now done, and it takes me a while to do my foundation just because I like to blend, 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 and blend. The key to a flawless finish is a good foundation. Okay, so when your foundation is set right, everything else just falls into place. And now I'm going in with some concealer, and I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to apply it just around my nose. And yeah, I'm just applying it to areas that I feel like need a little bit more coverage. So I'm going to be setting with the Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the shade medium deep. And this is a great powder to set my whole face. I used to use it just under my eye, but I feel like because it's so dark, you guys can see, it really just kind of blends into my skin. I feel like it's just more of a powder. But anyway, I'm just going to dip the back of this into the product, and I'm just going to quickly set. So I'm going to be quite generous. Here we go. I'm just going to place that onto my skin. Okay, so I've now set my face with the Laura Mercier powder. So now it's just time to conceal underneath my eyes. So I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Instant Eraser, and this is in the shade 10. I think it's caramel, and I love, 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 love this concealer. Oh, look at the lift. Ooh. Instant facelift, baby. Like literally, can you see the difference? And I learned this trick. I know a lot of people have been doing it now, where you just blend upwards, and I'm like, look how sharp my face looks. My highlight is done. And now I'm gonna set with, and I love this product, guys, don't judge me, it's the Primark Banana Powder, and I love it, it's amazing. Contouring with the Primark contour stick, and this is in the shade, what shade is this? Chestnut. Love this contour. This stick is amazing. Okay, so I'm now going in with blush. This is the Film Noir blush from MAC, and you guys know I just love this just to kind of like make my cheekbones pop a little bit more. I'm just dabbing that on to the contour, baby. It's now time for a little bit of highlight, and I'm gonna be using the same highlight that I always do, which is the Revolution highlight. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on the high points of my cheek. Okay, so highlight's done. So now I'm gonna just quickly go in with some mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I love this mascara, it's actually amazing. So I'm now going to use some lashes, and which ones do I actually want to use? To be honest, I need new ones anyway. They look so bad right now. So yeah, these are the Demi lashes. I need new ones by Ardell. I think it is Ardell. Yep, Ardell. So yeah, I'm just putting some glue onto my lashes right now. Yeah, so I like my lashes to get a little bit tacky before I apply them to my lashes, just so they hold much more quickly and they don't cause too much of a mess. Okay, so I'm going to wait for those to just get a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to apply them. So yeah, back in a sec. So you guys are going to see, hopefully you can see, but I'm going to apply them halfway through my lash line. Oh, I hate when it does that. Just let go, baby. Let go. And what I like to do is I like to stick it halfway up so it's not fully stuck down. So it gives me this kind of like a wispy, lifted look. As you guys can see, look at the difference. No lashes, lashes. Okay, so my lashes are now done. Last but not least, in this soft glam nude lip look is the nude lip. Guys, if you know what's coming, like the video. If you know what's coming up next, just like the video. Simple like action. Let me know. See if you got it right. Did you get it right? MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. This is my very miniature lip liner. I need a new one. But yes, I'm going in with the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut to line my lips. There we go. So I've got some liner on my lips, and I just like to blend it out by rubbing my lips together. Okay, so now it's time for the Makeup Revolution Friends Collection Monica Edition lip products. So I'm super excited. So I want to show you guys what it looks like. I'm just so excited because these colors are so beautiful. This is the liner. There's actually no name. It's just called Monica. These 3 products come in the little lip kit. So yeah, this lip liner, I'm gonna open it up. You can see I've already used it lots of times already. This is what it looks like on the back of my hand. Such a gorgeous color. Then we have this lip gloss. It's a nice beautiful color, and it literally looks like this on my lips. You guys will see what it actually looks like when I apply it, but exactly like this. It's so pigmented, love it. And then last but not least, we have this shade, which is probably the main reason I actually brought the lip kit, but I just wasn't too sure how contrasted it was going to be. But look how beautiful that is, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, so that's literally my lip combo. I used all 3 products for this nude lip. Okay, so I'm going to take the lip liner first. I'm just going to use this to fill in my lips because that's what I do. It helps to have a little bit of a product on my lips, so it helps the product kind of glide off. And again, you could actually leave this as it is. This could be a lip combo on its own. So next up, I'm actually going to go in with this darker shade, and this is such a gorgeous color, and I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to use it all over my lips. So yeah, it's such a gorgeous color. And then last but not least, I'm going in with this lighter shade. I'm going to place that in the middle of my lips, just right here. So this is now the steps done. So I've applied all the product to my lips. So I like to get single tissue. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pat it. I'm just going to press my lips against the tissue ever so slightly. Just to get rid of all that extra shine. Okay, I do love a gloss, but that's super glossy because there's so many gloss products. And then last but not least, I like to go in again with the Chestnut lip liner just to further outline my lips. And there we go. That is the nude lip. So yeah, this is the lip combo and I'm so in love with it. You can see all the different gradients. And I love the fact that the lip liner just brings the look together because it gives it that kind of like 90s feel. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, it gives it that kind of like 90s feel where you can see the lip liner, but then obviously it blends into the darker lip gloss, and then you can see the lighter shades right in between my lips. It's the final piece that brings this whole look together, and this is literally how I've been wearing my makeup for the past week and a bit now. And yeah, I just love this combination, so it's amazing. And this is not even a sponsored video. I just really like the product. I just thought I'd share it with you guys, but maybe they should sponsor me because I do use a lot of Makeup Revolution products. Yeah, they should sponsor me. I'll be sending emails this week. So guys, this concludes the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam featuring a nude lip using the Makeup Revolution Friends Collection Monica lip kit. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do leave your thoughts and comments down below. If you enjoyed this makeup look, let me know if you'd be testing it, if you'd be actually trying it out. I think the main thing that brought this look together was definitely these lip glosses, because I do love this lip combo. I don't feel like I've had anything like this at all in such a long time, and I was so surprised. I really didn't think it was going to work on my skin tone. I didn't think it was even going to be as dark as it is. I just thought it was going to be really opaque, but it's so pigmented and it just looks gorgeous. The final step I needed is just to bring this look together. So yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. You know, give it a thumbs up if you even made it through to the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and go check out my other videos as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.